In C++, we can use something called for loops, and we'll try to create an example of it. I will go to the Visual Studio, Visual C++, Win32 console application, and I will call my program for lottery results. So here in Norway we have a special lottery. It's called Norsk Tipping.no. And we can go to the results, and it's called Lotto. This is it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 main numbers and 2 additional numbers. So I wanted to try to write out this number using for loops. So the first thing we're going to do is to just pause the program here so it doesn't quit, and we need to include the correct header files. So it's iostream, string, and namespace std, and then we are going to create an integer arrays. So integer winning numbers, so then I can write the winning numbers here. So we'll just copy them from this page. And this is how you create an array with integers. And I got an error message here. Yeah, I forgot to end this line. And just trying to run it to see that there's no problem. There is no problem. So how to write out these numbers for screen? Then we can use the for loop. So for loops takes 3 arguments. It takes first an integer number. So I will put an integer x equals 0. Then I will say that the loop should continue until x is greater than 6. These are 6 numbers. And for each time this this block of code runs, x should be increased by 1. So here I can write out the numbers then. Winning numbers of x. So let's try to just see how this line is. So this block of code will run 6 times, and for each time I will write out the winning number that x is. So for the first time x will be 0, for next time x will be 1, and etc. Let's just try to look how it will be. So when x is 0, they will be printed 2. When x is 1, they will print 5. When x is 3, 6, and so it goes. So this represents index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, and index 5. So the winning numbers are 2, 5, 6, 12, 20, and 27. So we can try to create an array for additional numbers. and 13, and we'll just use the same technique to write the numbers for the for additional numbers. And I will try just for fun. I can change this to y, and it works as the same. And of course the size has to be 2 here and not 6. And now we got an error because I forgot a semicolon here. And now we have it. 2, 5, 6, 12, 20, 27, 28 and 30. So this is the for loop, very useful for writing out information from arrays.